for today's vlog, guys, pupunta tayo sa Niagara Falls. Nakaalis kami sa Bronx, guys, mga 10 AM na kasi pagod kami last night kasi gawa ng wedding namin. So, sabi ko dun sa kaibigan ko, magkita na lang kami sa Niagara Falls. So, from Bronx to Niagara Falls, I think 6 hours drive yun. Tumigal muna kami, guys, sa isang service area para makapagpahinga muna si Alex kasi mahirap mag-drive kapag inaantok. Medyo delikado. At pinakain ko na rin si Julian dito.
The next morning.
Hi, guys! Good morning!
Morning. For a 6.5 hours.
So, guys, good morning. Nandito na kami sa hotel. We're gonna visit Niagara Falls. So, kahapon kami nag-drive papunta dito. How many hours?
It's 6.5 hours drive, but over 10 hours because we stop a lot.
Yeah, because we're tired.
Yeah, had a few big events prior to that, and we were tired the day we were supposed to drive here. I usually get sleepy on behind the wheel, so I had to take like 3 naps on the way, plus lunch, plus changing our little baby Julian. And
Julian!
yeah, it's baby Julian right here. So yeah, we had to change the baby and stop frequently so that we can get lunch, and we also need to be fed. I needed to get coffee on the way there. Yeah, coffee with energizer, like, coffee with energy drinks with stuff. I needed a caffeine. So yeah, it took us 10 hours completely from door to door. 10 hours just
from
to
Bronx to
all the way to Niagara Falls. Yeah, we're just steps away from Niagara Falls. Yeah, so the trip was tiring, but hey, we made it. Today
and it's worth it.
Yeah, and we're just gonna be walking to Niagara Falls. No driving today, so it's gonna be good.
No driving, so you're resting today.
Yeah, well, resting.
Yeah. Hi guys, sorry sa ko ha sa face ko kasi nag-breakfast kami downstairs. So, guys, si Alex kasi madali siyang mapagod kapag nagda-drive. So, kailangan talaga mag-stop kami para maka-rest siya. So, kasama na nga pala namin yung aming kaibigan from Maryland, Florence Dennis. So, mamaya makakasama natin sila. So, let's go! So, hello guys, nakaligo na ako. At eto lang ang outfit ko. Ayan. Kasi may isa akong outfit doon, kaso overdress siya. So, ito na lang pants. And then, a crop top. Yung tops ko, guys, binili ko lang siya sa Shein. And I really love this. Thanks God that I lost weight. Because before, I'm 68. And then now, 62 going down. Ngayon, magme-makeup tayo, guys. Kasi ang tagal ni Alex. Matagal yun naligo, guys. So, ngayon, magme-makeup tayo. Ano lang siya, mabilis na makeup lang. Okay, time-lapse ko muna kayo.
A few moments later.
Yung hotel na pinagsayan namin, guys, sa Niagara Falls ay 5 minutes walk away lang. Pero guys, kapag hindi nyo gusto na maglakad or gusto nyo mag-drive, meron naman silang parking mismo sa loob ng park. First time ko nga palang pumunta dito sa Niagara Falls, guys, pero yung asawa ko nakapunta na siya ng maraming beses. So, guys, makikita nyo talaga napakalinis ng park na to. At sabi ng asawa ko na maganda daw siya sa gabi kasi almost every day daw may fireworks daw dito. Sabi din nung kaibigan ng asawa ko na taga Canada, maganda daw dun sa Canadian side, guys. Pero hindi muna kami makapunta doon kasama ng kaibigan ko kasi kailangan muna namin maayos yung papers namin. Guys, tingnan nyo. Yung tubig, grabe. Napakaganda. Kaso guys, bawal kayo mag-swimming dito kasi napakalakas ng agos ng tubig. So, madadala lang kayo. Or else, baka malunod kasi napakalakas ng agos ng tubig niya. Guys, sa park na to, free lang siya. Pero sa loob, meron siyang mga restaurant kung saan pwede kayong kumain. Tsaka free wifi siya guys. Free wifi dito. Tapos, meron din silang mga souvenir shop kapag gusto nyong bumili ng mga pampasalubong. And guys, yung nakikita nyong building sa kabilang side, yan ay ang Canada na guys. Pwede nga pala kayong sumakay ng boat guys para makalapit kayo mismo dun sa waterfalls. But I think it's $31 per person. Kaso mababasa nga lang kayo guys. Pero bibigyan naman kayo ng kapote guys. Pumunta nga pala kami dito sa park na to guys ng weekdays. Kahit weekdays guys, napakaraming tao. Pero sulit naman ang pagpunta namin dito kasi napakaganda ng view. Ayan guys, may pag-aura pa talaga si ate girl. Kala mo gandang-ganda. Charis! Okay guys, kakarating lang ulit namin sa hotel at magsiswimming si Julian tsaka si Habi. Right, B?
We're going to swim.
We just need to change Julian first. Oh my god, that's a long walk. But it's worth it. Nasa elevator na kami, guys. Nasa first floor kasi yung swimming pool. Okay. So guys, kami magdi-dinner na dito. Gusto kasi namin Indian food. Thank you guys. Hanggang dito na lang. Sa susunod ulit.